Are you ready? This may be a bit tricky. I will work straight from the book. Way of putting these scales. Okay, so it starts, this one here starts on G, ends in G. It's a G something. Let's see, if it's G major, it will have one sharp, which is F sharp. There's F sharp there. But, so this can be G major, but look at the key signature. Does G major have B fret, E fret? No, so it's not G major, but it's G something. Let's look at our alphabet. If it's not G major, let's try G minor. Major to minor goes this way. 1, 2, 3. E minor. It's not E minor. Okay. Of course not E minor, because if it was E minor, they have one sharp. So maybe it's G minor. So if it's G minor, minor to major. 1, 2, 3. B fret. B fret major has 2 frets, 2 frets. So this fret system means it's B fret major. Starts on G means 1, 2, 3 is G minor. It's a G minor scale. Going up. Next one. Let's look at the key first. The key signature says 3 frets. We know 3 frets is E fret. E fret major has 3 frets. Does it start with E? It is E. This is a alto clef. So C is here. C, D, E. Yes, it's E. E, featuring E. Are there any accidentals? No. So it's an E fret major scale. E fret major scale. Going down. It's going down. Next. Are they getting harder or tricky? Let's see. 3 sharps. What has 3 sharps? C major has nothing, G major has 1 sharp, D major has 2 sharps, A major has 3 sharps. Is it A major? It starts on A, finishes on A. Any accidentals? No, because all the sharps are here. This is the A major scale going up. Look at how I'm doing this, how I'm actually working out what's happening. What's this one here? We have no key signature. So it could be C major. So this one here has no key signature, so it could be C major. Oh, it starts with C. So it could be C major. C major had nothing though. Now see some accidentals. D fret, E fret. Oh, it's not C major. Is it relative A minor? Can't be, because it starts on A. It's C something. So, what is it? C, D fret, D, E fret, E, F natural, F sharp. It's playing every note. This is a chromatic scale. It says C chromatic scale going down. This one here, next one. We have a key signature, 2 sharps. What has 2 sharps? C major, nothing, G major, 1 sharp, D major, 2 sharps, D major. It starts on D. It ends on D. There's no accidentals. So it just uses the notes from the key signature. This is a D major scale. going down. Alright, this one here, it says there are no key signatures in these, so check the accidentals to decide what the scales are, label the scales. Alright, here we have no key signatures, so we look at everything here. It starts on C, ends in C. So, C, let's remember this. 8, 7, it's going down. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We have, let's say this is E flat. This is A flat. And we have just B flat and A flat. No, E flat and A flat. But E flat and A flat there's always, what's the first flat? The first flat is B flat. There can't be an E flat and A flat without a B flat. So there's a B flat in this piece. So what's happened? C, D, E flat, F, G, A flat, B flat. That's not a flat now for some reason. And C. It's a C something. It's a C. Alright, it's C. So what's happened? C, let's say this C minor. And C minor is related to E flat major. C minor, minor going this way to major. 1, 2, 3. E flat major has 3 flats. So yes, there will be 3 flats there. See how I'm working it out? So where's the B flat? The B flat must have been sharpened. You must have raised it. When you raise B flat, it becomes a B. That's why we have B then. This has been raised. This has been raised. And had this been raised? No. So only the 7th been raised. This was raised as well. It would be A flat. It would be an A natural. This is actually still A flat. So only the 7th note is raised. This is a C harmonic minor. Scale going down. See how I know that? Okay. Remember, harmonic means raise the 7th notes only. Right, this one here. We have F sharp to F sharp. The scale is an F sharp scale. F sharp what? So we have F sharp and F sharp. So it's F sharp something. We have F sharp. We know F sharp is always first in our key signatures anyway. We have a G sharp. We have a C sharp. F, C sharp, G sharp in the order. That's all. 3 sharps. What has 3 sharps? C major has nothing, G major has 1 sharp, D major has 2 sharps, A major has 3 sharps. So, I will say the key signature will be A major, but obviously this does not start from A. So what's the connection? A major to go to minor, let's check the minor. We're here, A, 1, 2, 3. Oh, F sharp minor. F sharp what minor? It has only the sharps of the king, the queen of the major scale. Only the notes of the major scale. So, is the 7th note risen? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 7 has not risen. We didn't rise, sharpen the 7th note. Is this one affected, the 6th note? No. So these are okay. So this must be F sharp natural minor, because it's only using the notes of its relative major. Nothing more. Nothing is risen. F sharp natural minor. This one here, it starts on F, ends with F. Is F something? Nothing in key signature, but it's not C major, it's not A minor. Oh, look at all these accidentals. It must be a chromatic scale. F chromatic scale going up. Okay, two more. Here is, what note is this? We're in an alto clef. So to work out a note, what do? We find middle C, which is the middle of the stave. We count backwards because we're going down. C, B, A. This is A. And this is A also. It's an A scale. A what? There's no key signature. Of course no key signature, because it's all about no key signatures. So it has a F sharp and a G sharp, which means something's missing. Where's the C sharp? A, B, C. There's no C sharp. F sharp and G sharp. So it's not a major scale, because with a major scale there'd be a C sharp, could be called order of the notes. Remember the key signature order? F sharp, C sharp, G sharp. Where's the C sharp? Something strange. Right. Let's check for A minor. A to A. If it's a natural minor, the relative is C major, so there'll be no accidentals, but there are accidentals. There's two accidentals. What numbers are these? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 6 and 7 are risen, which means it's a melodic minor. A melodic minor. Because in melodic minor, we raise a 6th and a 7th. Last one. This, no key signature, of course. But we have the sharps, we have an F sharp and a C sharp. F sharp, C sharp. Two sharps equals D major. D major has two sharps. It starts on D, ends on D. Simple. It's a D major scale coming up.